Hi everyone, I'm at 139 Kennedy Road in DeLand, Florida. This is going to be a 2-family home unit. So this unit is 2 bedrooms with a carport. We've got a nice tiny little yard here. So we're gonna go in and take a look. So as you walk in, this is a big living room, dining room combination area. Someone got leaves and grass all over the floor. I don't know if they left the door open when they were mowing the lawn or what. But anyhow, across this way, you've got your kitchen. Kind of some good storage space there, and you've got some extra room on this side. You could have a small table here, or if you wanted to put a little storage pantry in there, that would be an option if you needed some additional storage space. Nice stainless steel sink, tiny little apartment size stove, regular size refrigerator. Then across the way here, you've got your 1 bathroom. Oh, you do have this extra storage here. So this is a lot of nice space over here for a pantry. Gives you some extra storage space there. Nice little bathroom. Got 1 bedroom here. This is a nice size room. Everything's all tile floor in this main part of the house, so easy to take care of. Nice double closet. And that does go back with some little shelves there, and then you have access to your air handler on the back side here. But this is a good sized bedroom. And then you've got a couple steps down to this bedroom. This obviously used to be part of the garage, so you've got 2 steps to get down here. So this has been enclosed to make that extra bedroom. Has laminate flooring in this room. And then it has actually a big walk-in closet. You've got all sorts of great storage in this closet. That's a really nice feature. And this is a good size room. It's kind of long and narrow. And then out the back, you've got your carport. And then this, you have your washer dryer hookup back here. So this is some nice space back here. And then of course you've got your carport and your parking area. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000. Thank you.